Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 8 with a very cracked display, and David will replace it because it's not really looking good. Let's go. This Google Pixel 8 has this white line running vertically on the display. There's a crack on the corner and it's bleeding out under the glass. So it's not really looking good because you can't see partially on what the display is showing. So we'll remove this defective display, and it's quite easy on the Google Pixel smartphones. Even before, when you try to replace a display, you just have to remove the display right away. But that's about it. You can just pry it off on the right side because the left side is where you can find the one display connector. So we'll spray some IPA, especially on these damaged areas. Soften the adhesive, and look at that, just gave out. So we'll remove this side, the adhesive on this side also. As you can see, we're spraying alcohol, but the alcohol doesn't really damage the electronics because it evaporates right away. And we remove the retaining bracket for the connector, and we remove the connector together with the cracked display. So next we'll prep the housing by removing sludge and all the adhesive on the corners. It's quite dirty, so David is using some additives to take out the grime in the corners here. So this is the modern adhesive solution for smartphone is really good to deter some ingress of dust and water, especially on this one. It accumulated on the nooks and crannies of this housing, and David will definitely clean out everything. So we have already done that. So a clean housing prepped is gonna take on the replacement display. You can position it over the housing without any issues or gaps. And this is our replacement display. We have the frame, the connectors, and the fingerprint scanner all into one. So we'll just have to test it. We connected it to the connector where it's supposed to go, and it's showing us the Google logo. Right there. Touchscreen is working. The display doesn't have any imperfections, so it's good to go. So one thing we'll confirm is the fingerprint scanner. Is it working or not? Now the main camera is good, front camera is good. Next is the fingerprint scanner. You can already shut this phone down without any issues. The back is quite scratched up still, but up front the smartphone already looks pristine. So we'll do some resetting on this smartphone because we are replacing the fingerprint scanner. So power button and volume down. You can see there. It's a boot menu. And we have performed some resetting so that we can use the fingerprint scanner. Let's see. So unlike your iPhones, the Google Pixel smartphones doesn't really serialize parts. So if you replace the display and the fingerprint scanner, it will carry over the data to the new one. So David here can add a fingerprint right there. Yep, it's detecting. So this is a good sign. That means you can complete an enrollment of a new fingerprint through the new fingerprint scanner. Previous Google Pixel smartphones that we have fixed, you have to remove the old fingerprint scanner from the old display because the replacement display units that we have doesn't come with the fingerprint scanner pre-installed. So this one is saving us a lot of time, and it's more reliable because we don't risk damaging the fingerprint scanner. So we have tested it. So we've added and we'll perform testing. So far, not really successful, but later on, we got it right. So we'll have to remove this fingerprint that we have enrolled. Finger 1 is for the client. Okay, so it's all good now. We'll shut this phone down. We haven't really installed the display properly. It's just temporary. So we'll remove it and put some adhesive at the back of the display so we can install it. There we go. So we'll remove some tapes, and doesn't really need our own adhesive because it's got the adhesive tape around it. Here, just remove the plastic cover, and there you go, we're done. So if you have any questions on our services, leave a comment down below. You can message us on Instagram and Facebook. You can like and subscribe to our channel. You can watch our previous videos of Google Pixel smartphones that we have fixed. And this one is yet another success story. So thanks for joining, guys. Take care. Take care of your smartphones. This is the before and after. You can see the difference. It's quite dramatic. Till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.